Alright, this is the elevator at the Aurora Memorial Library in Aurora, Ohio, Westinghouse RT. So on its way up, here it is. Nice cab. Let's go to LL. Alright, here we go. Let's get a cab view. It's a really nice elevator. Here we are at LL. Very dark there. Let's go down to 1, or let's go up to 1. Alright, let's listen to the motor. Here are 1. Let's go one more time. Door close button does not work on Westinghouse. Alright, here we go. £2,500 capacity. Here's your phone. Very nice phone. Here we are, LL. Let's go up to 1. Watch it close. Alright, here we go. Let's listen to the motor again. Here we are, 1. Let's watch it close. And that's it.